It's that time of year to start thinking about safe winter driving again. I'm Wisconsin State Patrol Superintendent Anthony Burrell. We want to help you get ready for the snowy season. So we're teaming up with Wisconsin snowplow drivers to share what you need to know to keep everyone safe.
I'm Operations Manager Tim Pelton with the Dane County Highway Department. Plow drivers across the state work to clear nearly 115,000 miles of road every time it snows. But many drivers don't realize we need room to get the job done safely. We move slowly and our field of vision is restricted inside these large vehicles. If drivers can't see our mirrors, we can't see them, so it's important to pay close attention.
Many crashes happen when a snowplow is rear-ended, often by a driver traveling too fast for conditions. There were almost 3,400 crashes involving plows in the past decade. Those incidents could have been prevented with more careful driving. Snowplow safety is our December Law of the Month. State law requires drivers to stay back at least 200 feet from a snowplow clearing a road with a speed limit more than 35 miles per hour.
And remember, passing a plow is not always the safest option. Plows often create a snow cloud, reducing visibility, and the wing blade can extend up to 10 feet past the truck. So be cautious if passing or stay back.
It takes teamwork and coordination to keep everyone safe.
So please do your part and drive safely around snowplows.